Do you have anything to say to Grandma and Grandpa? Uh-huh. Do you like sitting in a chair like a big girl? Uh-huh. Kirsten, sit on your bottom. Sit down. Good girl. Good girl. Uh-huh. What else do you have to say? Mm-hmm. Kirsten, sit on your bottom. Good girl. Can you say hi? Kirsten, sit on your bottom. Good girl. Are you a big girl in your chair?